Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'll show you how I made these two different candy cane heart earrings, a smooth one and then a coiled one. These are the basic supplies I used. And this is the candy cane I showed you how to make in my video from yesterday. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Just cut off a piece about an inch thick. And then roll it out. Once you have it rolled out, you'll make one end come to a point, and then just begin twisting it so it becomes a candy cane. And then begin wrapping it up into a coil. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to let you know that I will be making 25 videos for this holiday season, starting today, and then for the next 25 days. There will be a new pair of earrings and or jewelry set, so please consider subscribing to my channel and also hitting that bell icon. It'll give you notifications of when I upload my videos. Once you have it wrapped up into a coil, you'll just want to place it into a heart mold. Make sure it is the entire width of the heart mold, and I just use my finger to press up into the mold so it pops out the shape. And then that way you can lay your piece of clay flat inside. And just release your finger from the back and it will suction cup down into the mold. And then you can just use your finger and press everything in there nice and tight. Cut off the excess clay and then make your candy cane come to a point again. And then coil up a good size shape. And then just place that inside of the heart mold. And just use your finger to press everything snug into place. And then also a roller to press everything together. You can also lay it on a flat surface. And then just use your finger to press everything in there. I do want my heart shape to be really smooth. And just use your tissue blade to shave off all of the excess clay. And then just pop it out of the mold. To make the coiled heart, cut off a piece of the peppermint clay and then roll it out. And again, twist it and then make one end come to a point. Roll it up into a coil. Once your coil is about the width of the heart mold, pop out the back side of the mold with your finger and then very gently tuck the heart coil inside. And then I'm just going around the rim just a little bit. Cut off the excess clay. And then again, just roll it into a point and then wrap it into a coil. Make sure it fits inside of your heart mold, and then very gently tuck it inside. You don't want to lose that coil shape. And then wrap your coil around and fill up the center part of the mold. Cut away any excess clay, and then very gently just begin forming it into the mold, not pressing with much force at all. And then trim away the excess clay. And now just to compare the two. And then pre-poke your eye hook holes and add in your eye hooks. And then you'll want to bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks, resin if you want, and assemble your earrings. And these are them. I love the way they turned out. The very smooth ones kind of look like fingerprints, but nonetheless, it's red and white, just like a peppermint. I hope you enjoyed the first video in my 25 video series for the holiday season. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you tomorrow, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!